Good afternoon, sir. This is Andra Arya, BTech first year CS student from Prestige Institute of Management and Research, Bhopal. My topic is explain different types of transformer, flow chart, what is transformer, which types of transformer, advantages of transformer, disadvantages of transformer, losses of transformer, uses of transformer, and conclusion. We move in. What is transformer? Transformer होता क्या है? A transformer is a device that transfer electric energy from one alternating current circuit to one or more other circuits, either increasing or reducing the voltage. Types of transformer क्या होते हैं? Power transformer, single phase transformer, distribution transformer, instrument transformer, three phase transformer, core type transformer, step up transformer, air core transformer. मैं इस सिंगल फेज ट्रांसफार्मर क्या है? यूजेस सिंगल फेज अल्टरनेटिंग करंट which means the transfer operate to in a unified time phase, and three phase transformer made up of the three pair of primary and secondary winding. They can be constructed by connecting three single phase transformer or by assembling three pairs of winding into a single laminated core. Step up transformer क्या होता है? Increase the voltage from the primary winding to the secondary winding, which is the commonly used of transmission system, power transmission system. Next, advantages of transformer. Transformer के advantages क्या क्या हैं? Provide efficiency electricity transmission, minimize energy losses during transmission, step up or step down voltage level as required, provide consistent electricity supply, support various industrial and residential applications. Next, disadvantages of transformer. Transformer के क्या क्या disadvantages है? First is cooling is required, large size, work only an AC circuit, transformer losses, power quality poor, voltage drop and frequency shift. Losses of transformer. There are four main types of losses in transformer. Resistive, copper loss, iron और core loss इसी में आता है, eddy current loss और hysteresis loss, stir loss and dielectric loss. अब यूजेस ऑफ ट्रांसफार्मर कहाँ कहाँ आते हैं? पावर कन्वर्जेशन, वोल्टेज रिवॉल्यूशन, आइसोलेशन, पावर ट्रांसमिशन, लाइटनिंग, इलेक्ट्रिक, वेल्डिंग, एक्स-रे प्रोडक्शन एंड सो ऑन. अब इसका कंक्लूजन क्या है? A transformer is a passive electrical device that can change the voltage in an alternating current AC circuit, AC electric circuit. Transformers are used in increase or decrease the operating voltage level between circuits. A transformer works on the principle of electromagnetic induction and mutual induction. Thank you.